Emakhosini bantwana bethonga, welcome back. So as I'm going through the comments, because I was not like checking any comments la ku YouTube, I was not even logging in ku YouTube, like I was not even noticing what has been going on. So mangicheka ngihlangana nale comment nkosami that intrigued me ukuthi gogo kuyenzakalani mangabe umuntu uphupha uju lise-toilet. Lokho kusho ukuthi kukhona idlozi lakho elikuphathele kona okuhle, kodwa udlela emanyaleni. Besides uju, angithi uju it's ihani, right? There's no way ngisho nokudla kwakho you cannot dish up ukudla kwakho or uthathe ichikilikini or uthathe KFC ufike uhlale etoilet udle. Toilet amanyala, ukunqola, isichitho. So uju inhlanhla yakho etoilet, make it make sense. So bayakubonisa ukuthi khona ukunqola okuthize okunqolisekayo, inhlanhla yakho ingqolisekile. Khona abantu abagangayo ngenhlanhla yakho, bakungcolisayo ngenhlanhla yakho, which is udinga ukugeza inhlanhla yakho, because there's no way mangabe uju honey ise toilet, ihoney ishiwa amabees e-toilet bewafunani from the word go e-toilet kuney'mpukane. Iy'mpukane zithanda into enuka kabi, into enuka kamnandi emnandi esweet ifunani e-toilet, so yeah. So awukufakele lelo phupho ibuko mntasekhaya mntana edlozi uzobona. But anyway, hope it makes sense, hope ngichaze ngendlela understandekayo. Yeah, idlozi lakho likubusise namathonga akho akubusise, kukhanye kube mhlophe la kuvaleke khona kucale kuvuleke. Thokozani.